Morning YouTube, Paul Bates and Daisy here, and we are Money Monday, our second one, day 56, and it's just keep on holding on, that's all I can say. Hope everybody had a great weekend, and those of you going back to your jobs, congratulations, you show-offs. So, today I really want to talk about what drives me and how did I become an investor. And I want to share YouTube with you and the tools that I use through YouTube. So I'm going to share two channels with you here a little later on in the video of the two most respected channels that I watch, one for stocks and one for cryptos. So I think they're interesting. And getting good information quickly is very, very important in investing. There's a lot of guys, like the Motley Fool, and you are a fool if you fall for that junk. Do I think it's bad information? No, but it's more greed. It's more, you can get the same information, but you just got to go about it a different way, and it's all free. Now, these guys, they just keep wanting to, I signed up for it, so I know about this. So, they charge you the $15 for the newsletter, which is absolutely worthless, doesn't tell you anything that nobody else knows. Then they suck you into the next level, and then the next level, and the next level, and the next, and it never ends with them. That's all it is. It's its own scam in itself. And a lot of these things are like that. So I think it's important that you know your tools very, very quickly. And the quicker you catch on, the better investment or even day trader you'll be. Now, I am not a day trader. I went to Ross Cameron's Worrior trading program 5 years ago. And was it a success or was it a failure? I don't know. You tell me. I mean, I'm sitting here on literally hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I would say that, I had that, whole mentality, get rich quick thing, and it just didn't work out for me. I'm not a day trader. I don't have the mindset for it. And you need to learn that very quickly. It probably took me a little bit longer than I should have, and I played with it a little bit longer than I needed to. And I probably lost money, more than I should have playing with it. But not a lot. And I spent, I got it at a 50% sale, so it was a, $3,000 course, and I got it for $1,500. Now, do I think there's courses better or cheaper, or would I do it over again? No, not knowing what I know now, but without doing the course, I would have not known what I know now, so it's complicated. I would say yes, it was worth it, and yes, I don't think anybody's going to get ripped off, and if you want to be a successful day trader, I mean, you're going to have to get a mentor. You're going to have to get somebody, so why not use one of the best in the world? And he is. So in that aspect, the chances of me thinking you're going to make it as a day trader, none. But that's just my opinion. I mean, they're one percenters. That's it. And if you think you're a one percenter, go for it. You're probably not going to lose any money. And congratulations and good luck. Now, I know what I am. I've learned it very quickly, and in that transmission, when I say quickly, 5 years. And it's just like an investment for me, 5 years. Also, I've talked about in some of my other videos on my other channel, is this whole mentality of getting rich quick. It's just, get it out of your head. The faster you get that out of your head, the better off you're going to be. And I don't care if you're a day trader or an investor. I mean, you've got to get that out of your head. It's just, Ross Cameron, he started out with a $500 account. I was there the day he opened that account. He built that to millions of dollars, but it took 2 years. Now, I couldn't do that, in 50 years. I couldn't do it. Now, as an investment trader, I can easily do that, and I will match and put my portfolio up against him, but it's still 10 years out. And we'll see who's further ahead. So, with that being said, I want to talk about the couple of channels that I really, really like. And so, financial education, Jeremy. That's my stock pick. This guy is freaking awesome. The guy does a lot of work, and he looks at the stocks. He'll break them down for you. He'll, go through all the records. And this is just a tool. It's not a recommendation of the stocks to buy. Do I buy stocks that he's looking at? Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes I don't. Like, he went into Carnival big. I dabbled with it a little bit, but I didn't get hurt like he did. I actually made money on the trade. And I will continue to make money on that trade, but I saw something different than he saw. I saw us coming into the coronavirus. I was a little less cautious, and I went in. But then there's other, stocks, that he looks at and he trades, and you know, I'm all in. Revlon is one of them, and Planet 13. Those are both ideas that I got from him, and both of those stocks I'm heavily invested in, and I will continue to invest in them. They're just great companies, and I believe in them. So that, you know, just a really good guy to watch. When he says something, you should listen. The guy's made multi-millions of dollars, and he gets it. He understands, and he knows what kind of a trader he is. Now, for my cryptos, this is complicated because I'm fairly new to the space. I've only been trading cryptos for 1 year. Now, in that 1 year, you know, I built my portfolio up. It's probably moving a lot faster than my stock portfolio, but it didn't start that way. It didn't, you know, it was months and months of it going backwards, you know, but I just kept at it, just plugging away a little bit here, 150 here, 200 here, 500 here, 1,000 here, $50 here, whatever I could do. And next thing you know, I probably have about 11,000 in there. My portfolio right now is sitting at about $17,000, $18,000. So will it go backwards? Could it go back underneath that 11,000? Yeah, absolutely, sure, it could. But it's in the short term. In the long term, you know, if I held that all those positions for 10 years, it's probably over $1 million portfolio. So, and that's just my opinion. So one of the great guys, and the things you got to be really, really careful about with these cryptos is a lot of these guys are paid promoters. And so they're going to push you into the coins or the situations that they're getting paid for. And so you got to be very, very careful with that, especially on YouTube. So there's one particular channel I like. He's a younger guy, Bitcoin millionaire. You know, he got it very, very early. And he doesn't really have to do anything, but he really breaks down. If you really watch his videos, he's probably the best on YouTube, and it's Chico-Crypto. Tyler over there, he does a fantastic job, and that's the channel that I'm going to recommend. You know, watch a couple of his videos this week, and it's really important, you know, to get up into that space and watch him and really start to understand what he's saying. And basically his message this week was the same exact thing, you know, that a lot of these guys are paid promoters, you know, like Bitboy-Coin, you know, and stuff like that. I watch his videos and I think he does a good job, but you got to be careful with him because he's going to push you for what he's getting paid for that week. And so that's where you got to be careful with. So I've got big solid positions, you know, because I'm a huge Bitcoin, love Bitcoin. It's the #1 horse in the race, and it's going to go. It really is going to go. But then Ethereum, that's what this whole blockchain is going to be started on. It's just it just is. So I really, really like Ethereum, and I'm going to continue to increase that position over the next few months. Anyway, Money Monday, you guys have a great week. I hope you guys, you know, tomorrow is Tech Tuesday. I'm going to keep it very simple. And, you know, it's a super simple one. It's one I've been wanting to do for a while, even though I got a new printer for the computer this week. We'll do that one the following week. And then we have a ledger coming for our cryptos. So we got a bunch for Tech Tuesday. Money Mondays will always be, you know, just talking about the positions that I took. Last week, I'm going to increase my Ethereum positions, so I'm probably going to put about $600 in there this week. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, we love you guys. Peace out, and have a great week. That's all. Okay, so Paul and Daisy here. We're going to say goodbye and be good or be good at it. Thanks. We love you guys. Peace out, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.